Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength back again. What can you really say? Daddy's home. Listen, we're doing a mukbang today. We're coming back with content. You know, we got 200K subbies now. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. I'm giving away free cookies. I'm giving away free salads. We're doing a mukbang today. Mukbang Southern Cobb salad from Publix. Now Publix is like a religion. It's hard to get everything in here. I haven't done a mukbang, I haven't done a video in forever, so maybe I'll fast forward this or I'll not because you can't see it. Or okay, what's in this Southern Cobb salad? I get it a lot. This actually might be like a little bit of a food review thing, but there is chicken in here, fried chicken. There's cherry tomatoes. There are raisins. There are apples. There is a bunch of there's lettuce. Then I have this, and they keep this separate right here. This is blue cheese over here. I love blue cheese. And these are pecans. They're delicious. So I got but I gotta get the balsamic vinegar dressing out of here first. I'll put that right there. I'm gonna dump this in the salad. Now, I'm sorry if the angles aren't that great, the lighting's not that great. Oh, ay, pobrecito. We're having problems, but I just wanted to, I just gotta get some content out. It's reminding me so much of 2017. I started with about 20,000 subscribers in like June-ish, a little after July 2017. So it's 2022 right now, a little after, it's June 10th, 12th or something. I feel like I really just want to create a lot of content while I'm putting the dress. I feel like I want to create a lot of content, and yeah, this is reminding me a lot of 2017. Now I love this Publix salad. Feels great. Feels great to be back and get into this salad. I feel like I have so much to talk about since last time I was on. Really, when was the last time I was on? It was like probably 2020, like January, February 2020. I did try to make a powerlifting comeback, or I did try to make a powerlifting series, and it was just weird because I was going to this powerlifting gym for like a year and a half, and then they closed down like in last September, so like 9 months ago they closed down. And I was like, I just was walking in for my second week of a 12-week prep, and they were like, "Oh, we're closing down." So I'm like, dang. I love these Publix salads. They're a little expensive, I guess it's $8, maybe $8-ish, but it's so hard to keep track of like what's expensive and what's gonna stay expensive because of inflation these days. And it's a nice little lettuce bite, pecan, balsamic vinegar, blue cheese. I'm gonna get a piece of fried chicken in there. Try to get that perfect dish bite. It was gonna be huge, but so I got the chicken. Let's go. Ooh, that bite humbled me a bit. Man, I guess I haven't done a mukbang since the end of 2017, the beginning of 2018. I haven't done a mukbang in about 4.5 years, which is crazy because I did one every week for half a year, 6 months, 26 weeks. And I just stopped. But I really like just eating. I always have something to talk about. I was thinking, I don't know, how could I just start getting back in the groove of things? Just do a burpee video, which I've been doing lots of burpees. I love doing burpees now. I'm on day 2 of my burpees. earlier in this year, for this past tax season, I did 110 straight days of burpees. No smoking for like 75 days during tax season and stuff. So I really went hard on just my tax season. Doing burpees every day like helped me so much. Exercising every day. The end of last year, after Thanksgiving, so the end of 2021, I finally started loving myself. So that's been just, I was 44 then, so I was 44 years old and I just started loving myself. So that has made a profound change for me the past 6 months. Salad's bomb, of course it is. Let me get some of these raisins in here. I just like all the different bites, all the profile bites, different bites you can take. In 2020, I did 60 straight days of burpees. Why didn't you film it, JD? I was gonna do the 60 days. I was filming, then something happened, and I never put it up, and then time went by. 110 days, because that was during this past tax season, and I just wanted to focus in on tax season because my business has been doing really good. I finished my 7th tax season this year. Yeah, what a wild ride so far. Increasing my income by like 20% for the past couple years. In 2020, it just exploded by like 60%. Back for the mukbang. Publix salad. I love me some Publix. I got Audible like around July last year. So I had Audible for a year. I love it. Had this motivational video on YouTube that I like to have. TD Jakes, Joel Osteen, Les Brown. Didn't really like Joel Osteen that much for, I don't know why really, but I just didn't really care for him. But his part in the video I loved, and I started loving. I was like, well, let me give Joel Osteen a chance. Like, let me see what else he's got. I don't know, I just love this little 9-minute section of a YouTube video that Joel Osteen talks. I love it so much. I started getting Joel Osteen audiobooks because you get like one free book a month on Audible. This is not a paid promotion. I've never had a paid promotion on my channel because I just want to. It's a personalized channel, you know what I mean? Because you need to know me on this channel. I'm not, oh, buy this because I'm somebody's paying me money. No shade to anybody who does that stuff, but not me. It's probably dumb for me. I probably should be doing that, but Pecans, balsamic vinegar, crispy lettuce, crispy water. The lettuce is crispy water. So I started getting Joel Osteen audiobooks, and I bought like 4 in a row or something, and God, he was just getting me in such a good mood. I was getting good sleep. I was doing burpees every day. I was working here. I was working hard on my tax business during tax season, listening to Joel Osteen, and he was keeping it so positive for me. I don't know, I just started loving that. I have a whiteboard over there that I just put like motivational quotes up, and I usually empty it out, like erase everything like every couple weeks or something, and then just start writing. I'll write a couple a day and I'll end up with like 10 or 15 on it. So I'll start off like first thing, I love you. So I'll walk back and forth in the office and I'll be like, I love you, bro. And I'll be like, I'm so proud of you. So I do positive affirmations. Then I come sit here, and you can't see it because of the lighting. I'll turn around, but I sit out my window. I sit out this window here, so this is probably the view, I guess, that I look at in the morning. And I do some prayer. Praying for the day. That's about, probably takes 20 minutes to do positive affirmations and pray every morning. 10 each. Probably 15, probably 10 minutes really. But that just really sets the tone for my day. The little apple, that was nice. I just love all the different, this is kind of expensive, but if I bought all this stuff separately, like, I would have to buy so much stuff and just eat it once, and like, I don't know. I don't know, everything just makes it. The cherry tomatoes weren't that good today, but oh well. A Publix salad. You ever see, like, online or whatever, TikTok? I have a TikTok addiction. So you ever see on, like, TikTok, they'll be like fighting in Publix, and the comments will be like, no, 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 that's Walmart behavior, not Publix. Like, and I agree. Oh my god, my batteries die. Oh my goodness. Yo, these batteries don't last for nothing, do they? I need new batteries, maybe? Now I'm gonna try to hurry up. That YouTuber life. I'm just kind of getting my feet wet and doing this mukbang just because I want to put out content, and I realized from doing this so long, I got 200,000 subscribers and 500 something published videos, that if you wait for everything to be perfect, like I bought new lighting today and I'm not happy with the lighting, but I just kept it going, you know, kept it moving just to get some videos out and like shake the rust off of how to use everything, keep it charged and transferring stuff. And I actually feel like I have a lot to bring to the table in this go around of me really doing content. I really want to be like a motivation. I really want to be a motivational speaker. I should change that and say I want to continue being a motivational speaker. I already do inspire and motivate some people already, so I'm not perfect by any means, and there's still a ton of stuff that I need to work on. But my life is very different than my life was 5 years ago when I made a bunch of videos in a row. I'm not sure, but it was crazy. I was fighting for every subscriber. I remember I started with like somewhere around 20,000. I have to look, I can't remember how many I ended up at the end of that year, the end of 2017, but I did every day from like July 10th to like January 10th or something. I did like 180 straight days. 26 straight mukbangs. So I'm gonna have mukbang 26 like 4.5 years later. Crazy, right? My mukbang series. So I had something written down that I wanted to talk about. Getting your exercise, your nutrition, and your sleep. Those three things. Exercise, sleep, nutrition. And you want to get those three things on point for a more productive life. I wanted to say that, and I wanted to go. I'm definitely going to have to do its own video, but I got that actually. I was talking to Sean Gumby. Props to him. I've had him on the channel before. I've worked out with him. Great guy. He's got a great YouTube channel. I was actually on the phone with him and I was saying, oh man, I'm so stressed. I have so much anxiety. I'm not enjoying my business. Like I have so much anxiety in my day-to-day life, and I'm depressed and I just don't know what to do. You know, I've tried so many things and it seems like I'm still just and he said work on sleep, nutrition, exercise, those three things. And I mean, that was a game changer for me. It was so simple. I was like, that seems so simple. How would that work? But it was so simple. I don't know, it just worked for me. Like, yo, the battery cut out me on the yesterday at the end of the video. I don't know who the heck is still here at the end of the video anyways, but just cut out abruptly. And if you stayed up till that and it cut off abruptly, I was like, they deserve more. You deserve more. You deserve it. Anyways, that's really all I had to say though. I just want to close out the video properly because you deserve it. Stay tuned for a lot more videos. CPA Strength, I'm out.